A new door can dramatically improve your home's appearance, security, and comfort. However, even the highest quality door can underperform if it's not installed correctly. In a climate where heat and humidity are constant considerations, proper installation is essential. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, avoiding common door installation mistakes can make the difference between long-term performance and ongoing frustration. Mistake number 1. Incorrect measurements. One of the most common installation errors is inaccurate measurement of the door opening. If the opening is measured improperly, the door may not fit snugly within the frame. In Pompano Beach homes, even small gaps can allow warm air and moisture to enter, reducing comfort and energy efficiency. Precise measurements ensure the door aligns correctly and seals tightly. Mistake number 2. Failing to check frame alignment. A door frame that is not level and square can cause serious problems. If the frame is slightly warped or uneven, the door may stick, sag, or fail to close properly. In Pompano Beach residences, this can lead to drafts and reduced security. Ensuring the frame is properly prepared before installation is critical. Mistake number 3. Improper sealing around the frame. Sealing is one of the most important aspects of door installation, yet it's often overlooked or rushed. Without proper insulation and sealing around the frame, air and moisture can seep inside. In Pompano Beach homes, where humidity is a constant factor, inadequate sealing can lead to discomfort and potential damage over time. Mistake number 4. Ignoring threshold installation. The threshold at the base of the door is another area prone to mistakes. If it's not aligned or sealed properly, water and air can enter underneath the door. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, correct threshold installation helps protect against moisture intrusion and improves overall comfort. Mistake number 5. Using low-quality hardware. Even a well-installed door can fail if the hardware is weak or improperly attached. Locks, hinges, and handles should be securely fastened and aligned. In Pompano Beach homes, strong hardware enhances security and ensures smooth daily operation. Mistake number 6. Skipping final adjustments. After a door is installed, it must be tested and adjusted as needed. Failing to check for smooth opening and closing can result in long-term issues. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from careful final adjustments that confirm the door fits perfectly and operates correctly. Mistake number 7. Overlooking weather considerations. Doors must be selected and installed with local conditions in mind. In Pompano Beach, heat and humidity require durable materials and careful installation techniques. Choosing the wrong materials or failing to account for expansion and contraction can reduce a door's lifespan. Mistake number 8. Attempting complex installations without expertise. While some home projects are suitable for DIY efforts, door installation requires precision. Improper installation can compromise security, comfort, and energy efficiency. In Pompano Beach homes, professional installation ensures the door performs as intended from day one. The benefits of getting it right. Avoiding these common mistakes leads to better results. A properly installed door fits securely, seals tightly, and operates smoothly. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, correct installation means improved indoor comfort, enhanced security, and reduced maintenance concerns. It also protects the investment you've made in upgrading your home. A smart approach to door installation. Door installation may seem straightforward, but attention to detail makes all the difference. By avoiding common mistakes and prioritizing professional installation, Pompano Beach homeowners can enjoy doors that enhance both function and style. When installed correctly, a new door becomes more than just an entry point. It becomes a reliable, long-lasting feature that supports comfort, security, and peace of mind.